In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an expenses in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the exact steps you need to follow, and I'll also point out what to look out for so that your export works smoothly and gives you the data you need. First, log into your Zoho Books account and wait for the main dashboard to load. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical sidebar with different sections like sales, purchases, and other modules. To begin exporting your expenses, look for the section labeled Purchases on that left sidebar and click on it. This is where Zoho Books groups all your purchase-related information, including bills, vendor credits, and of course, expenses. Once you're in the Purchases section, you'll see several options or tabs related to purchase activity. From here, click on Expenses. This will open the main expenses page where you can see a list of all the expenses that have been recorded in your Zoho Books organization. At the top of this page, you may notice filters for status, date ranges, or other criteria. These can be helpful if you want to narrow down what you'll eventually export, but for now, just make sure you're on the correct expenses screen. Next, move your attention to the right side of the expenses page. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots. This menu usually contains additional actions you can perform on the data you're viewing, including exporting and sometimes importing. After clicking on the 3 dots, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Export Expenses, and then click on it. This is the key step that starts the export process. As soon as you select this option, Zoho Books will open a new window or panel with export settings. Now simply follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, Zoho Books will ask you to choose things like the file format, such as CSV or XLS, and possibly a date range or filters for which expenses you want to include. Take a moment to review these options so that you only export the data you actually need. When everything looks correct, confirm the export. Zoho Books will then generate your file and either download